everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing peel and stick backsplash. Okay, starting with step 1. Here you see me laying it out on the counter in front of me for the area that I'm going to be applying it to. From here, I am attempting to measure the sides. According to the directions, you have to cut off the ends to make a straight line so that you can start over in the corner to get started. That way you can connect them as you go. Here it looks like I am going between the ruler and a measuring tape so that I can measure the length of the towel itself for me to have the correct cut. Now you see on this end here where it doesn't look like I have the right measuring tape, so I am off to find a different one. Here in this next clip you see where I have made my straight line and I have applied my first couple of tiles and connected them. Next step is, as I moved over, I am now attempting to measure out the length of the electrical socket so that I can get the correct cut. And I start by just cutting it out, or tracing it out, sorry, with a pencil. And then from here I go to the garage to make that cut using my drill. I must have lost the portion of that clip because I wasn't able to find that to insert it for you guys to see that. But there you just measure it out, use your pencil, and then make your cut. Next section here you see where I have met the cut and I am screwing the screw in to make sure that the correct amount of space is allowed. On this portion I am able to move the tile only because I have not at this point removed the back peel and stick side. I wanted to get a dry fit cut to make sure that I had cut off enough for the socket to fit in. And then after that I did remove the back and stick it on correctly, as well as in making sure that I connected each portion and push it in tightly. Next part on here you see where I have managed to replace the plate on the electrical socket and screw in the screw. Next I am moving up and I have applied the next top portion of the stick and peel tile, and I am just pressing it in to make sure that it is nice and tight and fit. The only struggle I found with this is making sure that all the portions are connected, and as you can see I did have some areas where you see that the joints are not tightly connected, but overall I think it came out pretty well. for my first try. Here you go, another look. And then I'm almost at the end where I was just about to cut it off. And that was pretty much it. Didn't take me that long, so maybe you guys give it a try. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye.